Unit 7, Chapter 1. The Mediterranean Diet. The Mediterranean diet is based upon the eating patterns of traditional cultures in the Mediterranean region. Several noted nutritionists and research projects have concluded that this diet is one of the most helpful in the world in terms of preventing such illnesses as heart disease and cancer and increasing life expectancy. The countries that have inspired the Mediterranean diet all surround the Mediterranean Sea. These cultures have eating habits that developed over thousands of years. In Europe, parts of Italy, Greece, Portugal, Spain, and southern France adhere to principles of the Mediterranean diet, as do Morocco and Tunisia in North Africa, parts of the Balkan region and Turkey follow the diet, as well as Middle Eastern countries like Lebanon and Syria. The Mediterranean region is warm and sunny and produces large supplies of fresh fruits and vegetables almost year round. The people eat many times per day. Wine, bread, olive oil, nuts, and legumes and other staples of the region, and the Mediterranean Sea has historical yielded abundant quantities of fish. International interesting the therapeutic qualities of the Mediterranean diet. Mediterranean diet began back in the late 1950s when medical researchers started to link the occurrence of heart disease with diet. Dr. Ann Cookes performed an epidemiological analysis epidemiological analysis of diets around the world. Epidemiologically among populations epidemiologically among populations, entitled The Seven Countries Study. It is considered one of the greatest studies of its kind ever performed. In it, case gathered data on heart disease and its potential causes from nearly 14,000 men in Greece, Italy, Croatia, Serbia, Japan, Finland, the Netherlands, and United States. The study was conducted over a period of decades. It concluded that the Mediterranean people in the study enjoyed some significant health advantages. The Mediterranean groups had lower mortality, raising OA brackets, and from all causes, particularly from heart disease. Study also showed that the Mediterranean diet is as high or higher in fat than other diets, obtaining up to 40% of all its calories from fat. It has, however, different patterns of fat intake. Mediterranean cooking used smaller amounts of star- saturated 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 fat and higher amounts of unsaturated fat, mostly in the form of olive oil, saturated fats, and fats that are found principally in meat and dairy products, although avocados, some